What's up, guys? How y'all doing? I'm doing fine. Let me just make sure. So guys, now today I'm finna be doing a little mini vlog. It's like a lip gloss tutorial, let's call it that. So before we get into the video, I want to introduce myself and I want to say some things. So I am Leisha Charles, CEO of Island Princesses Cosmetics. Now guys, today I want to say thanks to some of y'all who's been there with day on. I want to say welcome to some of y'all and welcome back. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I want to say thank you. And man, let me tell y'all something. These lip glosses from our collection, man, this would be a perfect gift for your girlfriend, your fiance, or your wife. It doesn't really matter. You may have a crush. You know, get her like her lips looking glossy, looking like a bad princess. And if y'all want to see more, continue following us. Just keep updated and check out our website. Now guys, I want to say thank you. If you get to the end of the video, who knows, we might have a special swimming coming for y'all. Y'all never know. Without further ado, bye.